Hello all the students, hope everyone is fine and working properly. So here we are today back again in Sunday art class. So let's see what new activity today Ritika ma'am has for you for this class. Let's get started. So as today is Mother's Day, so today's activity is related to Mother's Day only. So she has designed a beautiful drawing related to Mother's Day, in which a mother has carried her child in her arms, and she has already drawn this with the help of pencil, and now she's just outlining all of the stuff with the black color. So look at all the curves and gestures whatever she has made. So in the same way you people also need to do. You have to draw the same drawing showing the gesture of love between the child and the mother. Now she's outlining the part of child. Also, it's just not the drawing part you have to do. There's a bit of craft work also in this drawing. She'll be showing how you have to do that. So she has shown the gesture of love of mother who is carrying her child in her arms. This is how you need to outline it. Then she is using different shades. Like first she is using the shade of brown color, a light brown shade for some coloring. Then she is using a shade of black color. And some grey color shade in the hair of both child and mother. This is how you need to do the coloring part. After that she is doing some creative part downside with the help of green sketch color. This is how you need to do it with both dark green and the light green shade. And some shade of yellow color also. Then she has written some quotations for mother, showing the love of mother. So the first quotation says, "My mother is a walking miracle." So it shows the love of child towards her or her mother. So similarly you need to write. Second quotation says, okay, so she is doing a bit of the creative part. So she has taken a waste material which is a stone in the shape of flower, and she has pasted it in the bun of the mother. So you can use any of the waste material. Then she has taken a red square which she has folded in 2 halves and made a triangle, and then the third triangle, so 3 halves and the fourth half. This is how it will look after folding, and has cut the top of the triangle in the circular shape and has formed a flower from it. And same you need to do of pink color paper. To cut it in the shape of flower. So the pink flower and the red flower is ready. She has pasted the pink flower inside the red flower. You can use any color for making these flowers. And then she has cut out the flower from between, so it will be half parts of the flower. And then by applying the Fevicol, she has pasted the flower in between like this. And now by using red color, you just have to give a outlining shade in the whole of the drawing, just the way ma'am is doing. In this way you need to give the outlining with the red color. So this is how you need to do it. So this is how you need to do. This is the complete overall look of your picture. She has written one more quotation: "A mother's love is more beautiful than any fresh flower." Shows the love of mother. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and I advise all the students to make this in the most beautiful way you can make, and send the pics of your work in the WhatsApp group. Thank you everyone.